everyone I made. Big side bend over to the side. I'm just gonna get right into it. Rise up and to the other side. Rise up and hands and knees. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, and fingers spread. They spread, and then I want you to gently pull your fingertips back toward your palms a little bit. Inhale, pull your heart forward. Lengthen the spine, and exhale, round the back. A few times here, cow and cat, cat's breath. Take the hands forward a bit and then stretch back, child's pose. But get really long in those arms and connect your hands fully into the floor. So getting a sense of almost like your hands are stuck on the floor and you can pull back against that. You're gonna do that so much, you're gonna push your hands so much and you're gonna imagine they're like crazy glued down, and then you're gonna pull so much back through your center, so you're kind of scooping the belly up, the ribs up, that you start to round in your back even more. You can drop the head if it's okay. And then take your gaze forward a bit, stretch your heart toward your thumbs, lift up enough to tuck your toes, down dog. Inhale, right leg back. If it's nice on your body, open up your hips. You can bend your knee if it feels good. You can move your leg around however you want. Right foot forward. Left heel turns in and down, warrior two. Inhale, lift up arms and legs, straighten, and then press out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stay here, triangle. If you want to use a block, my preference is on the right side of the right leg. One more inhale. Left hand comes around. Right hand to the sky. Easy breezy, lifting up. Breath in. Release your hand down. Step back plank. Inhale. All the way to your belly, however you need to safely get there. Take your hands off your mat, fingertips down, palms up. Inhale. This version of Cobra with just the fingertips down, if it's okay. And then we're gonna look over one shoulder, kind of hug that elbow in, and then go to the other side. A couple times. Come back through center, downward facing dog, pressing back. Inhale, left leg stretches back. If it's nice, open the hips. If you'd like, bend the knee. Move around however you want. Left foot top of your mat. Right heel turns down, warrior two. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, drop in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Rise, inhale. Split the arms, triangle. Right hand comes down, right heel lifts up, simple twist to your left. Breath in, hand down, exhale. Plank inhale to your belly. Keep your hands a little closer to the rib cage this time. Pull the thumbs toward the ribs, spiral the pinky fingers open. Cobra. Push the tops of the feet down, a little more traditional. Curl the heart forward. And down dog, exhale. Lift your heels, inhale. Bend your knees, exhale. Look forward, bring your feet to your hands. Halfway, inhale. Bow, exhale. Rise, inhale. Hands to your heart, exhale. Inhale, reach up. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, halfway. Right foot steps back, exhale. Crescent lunge, inhale. Exhale, hands to the ground. Plank inhale, chaturanga or the floor. Up dog or cobra, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Right leg stretches back, inhale. Exhale, knee down the center, place your right foot forward. Crescent lunge, inhale. Exhale, hands down, step to the top of your mat. Halfway, inhale. Bow, exhale. Rise, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Halfway, inhale. Left foot back, exhale. Crescent lunge, inhale. Exhale, hands to the ground. Plank inhale. Chaturanga or the floor. Rise, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Left leg back, inhale. Left foot forward, exhale. Crescent lunge, inhale. Exhale, hands down, step forward. Halfway, inhale. Bow, exhale. Rise, inhale. Hands to your heart, exhale. Chair, inhale. Sit down, exhale. Navasana, inhale. Split your knees, pull your knees toward your triceps, round your back. I want you to reach your arms forward like crazy. Inhale, chair. I'm not chair, boat. That would have been like amazing if you went right up into chair. And then low boat. Inhale, knees to triceps, big toes together, crow on your back. Curl your tailbone up off the floor. Curl your sacrum up off the floor. Shoulders up, push the hands forward. Yes. Inhale, low boat. Stay here, exhale. Inhale, boat. Cross your shins, down dog, with or without chaturanga, vinyasa. Beautiful work. Right leg back, inhale. Right knee, right elbow, exhale. Stay forward, inhale, knee over to your left. Exhale, back to the right. Three-legged dog, inhale. Exhale, step your foot forward. Crescent lunge, inhale. Hands to heart, exhale. Left arm outside your right thigh. Gently twist to the right. Beautiful, beautiful. Back leg really, really strong. Use your toes, use your ankle. One more inhale. Exhale, hands down. Step your back foot forward. Malasana. All right, in this Malasana, you're gonna slide your triceps down and you're gonna try to get your knees up into your armpits. I'm gonna have deodorant all over my knees. Good, and then your back rounds and you're hugging your arms toward your shins to get this sense of rounding. Hands come around. Lift your butt up, come onto your toes, and then tip forward. And then there's this point where your feet just naturally come up and then your big toes come together. Then you start to drop your butt and pull your heart forward. Right foot down, left leg lifts, standing splits. Step your left foot back, step your right foot back, plank, inhale, chaturanga or the floor. Rise, inhale, and down dog, exhale. Left leg back, inhale. Left knee, left elbow, exhale. Stay here, bring the knee over to the right, and then back over to the left. Three-legged dog, inhale, and place your left foot forward. Crescent lunge, inhale. Hands to heart, right arm outside of your left thigh, and we twist. One more inhale. Release out. Right foot steps forward. Malasana. Good. Try to get your knees up toward your triceps and then push your elbows toward your shins. Let your back round. Scoop your belly back and up. Take the hands forward. Lift your heels. Tip forward. Your butt is up high. That's going to let you get your feet up. And then you can start to drop the hips and pull the heart up. Left foot down, right leg up, standing splits. Bend your standing leg, right foot steps way back. Left foot back, inhale. Plank, chaturanga. Rise. Down dog, exhale. Inhale, right leg back. Right knee, right elbow, exhale. Inhale back. Right knee, left elbow. Inhale back. Right foot top of the mat. Push off the back foot. I like a block. Left hand on the floor or on a block. Right hand to your hip. Left leg lifts up. Turn to the right. Revolved half moon. So nice. Bring your feet together. Sink your hips. Take your right hand, reach it back. And then left arm comes around. Beautiful. You can stay here and you're just in this nice little twist. I mean, maybe it looks a little different than this, but you get the idea. If you want, pick up your heels. You're framing your hip with your two arms. Lift your heels up. Push into your toes, lift your butt up. And then you shift. And your arms take over, your feet float up. Side crunch. Elbows hug together. Come back into center. Forward fold, top of your mat. Well done. Inhale, lengthen. Pull your hands a little forward, lengthen out your spine. Right leg is your standing leg, left leg sweeps back. I doubted myself for a moment, but I was correct. Okay, stay here, or pick up your right heel. With your heel up, your knee is gonna move toward your chest. Your chest and your knee are gonna kind of stay close together. You're gonna spring with your right leg, you're gonna swing with your left leg, and you're gonna try to pull this right knee back into your chest when you come up. And you can take a few hops here, or maybe you find balance. And then we're back to down dog. However you want to get there. With vinyasa, without vinyasa, your call. Make it work for you. What feeds you today. Smooth out your breath. Feel what you feel. Left leg back, inhale. Left knee, left elbow. Inhale back. Come across, exhale. Inhale back. Step your left foot forward. I like a block under the right hand. Left hand on your left hip. And then turn your chest to the left. Revolved half moon. I'm just going to turn around so I can face you. Good, bring your feet together. And then just reach back, left hand. So there's a little leap of faith there to reach back. And then this right hand comes around. And now you're framing this left hip. Hug this right knee, elbow into this outer left thigh, and then lift your butt up high. And then there's a moment where you tip out of the feet and into the arms. Yeah, and you can always keep your feet down and just play with it. And then come back into center and forward fold. So well done. You're gonna stand on your left leg and your right leg is gonna go back. You can stay here where you plant your heels. You plant your hands, you lift your heels because you're gonna lift this left heel up and obviously the right one's up. And we've got this connection between the chest and the knee. We're gonna spring, so you have to kind of lower and lift here. Spring up. And then pull the knee into the chest. Inside, in and out of focus, barely sleeping, past and future. And back to down dog. Oops, however you want to get there. Right leg back, inhale. Right knee, right tricep. Pause here. Maybe slide this left foot in. Single leg crow. Three-legged dog, inhale. And right knee comes over left elbow. Extend the right leg out. Keep your left heel lifted and just stay in a plank here with this nice twist. Good. Slide your foot, your shin, your knee across. You're in pigeon. If you need an alternative, you'll take an alternative. Breathe. more breath here. And bring your hands under your shoulders. Tuck your back toes. Listen up. You're going to take this right foot. You're going to step it wide. You're going to bring your left foot forward. You're in Malasana again. Everything out of this is optional. If it feels good, right arm is going to come down. You're going to reach up with the left. If it feels good, you'll wrap this here. And then I'm going to turn toward you just so you can see this. I'm going to add another bird into the mix here. So you can rock a little side to side here. I like to bring my left foot closer to my center, to my right foot, and that's going to make it easier to do this. You shift into your left leg, and you rise up. So first you might just come all the way up, and this is like a feat unto itself just because it's kind of awkward. And then if it feels okay, flamingo. You're going to tip forward, you bring your chest forward. We'll lift back up. Ooh, and then back down. Forward fold wherever you are. Beautifully done. Breathe fully. Feel what you feel. Lengthen, inhale. Your path to down dog. Inhale, left leg back. Left knee to left tricep. Stay here or start to kind of shift forward, slide that right leg in. Right leg lifts. Single leg crow. And then three-legged dog. Inhale. Cross over. Extend the leg. Stay here. And slide the shin, knee, foot across, and pigeon. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Tuck the back toes. Pick up this foot, step it wide. Right foot comes forward. We're back in Malasana. And you can just be in Malasana, as wonderful as is. If you want, left arm comes down, maybe right arm reaches up, and then maybe you wrap this. And then if you want to try this lift, I think moving around a little bit first is helpful to figuring out how to actually shift your weight out of both legs and into one. And then I move the right leg in closer to the left so that I can stand on this right leg and then rise up. And I like to come all the way up first. Good. And then if you want to hinge and tip over, flamingo. I also like to come back up and then, without falling hopefully, lower all the way back down. And forward fold. Beautiful. Any forward fold that feels good to you. You're going to bend your knees a lot, sink your hips down, and then we're going to lie all the way down. Give yourself a nice squeeze here. Well done. Beautiful work. If you want to use a block under your hips for bridge, go for it. Otherwise, we're going to go right into a nice energetic bridge pose. Pressing the triceps, the shoulders down. Wrapping the shoulders under, maybe lacing the hands behind the hips, but maybe not. Your exhale brings you out. Receive it. See what you think. If you're feeling another one, or if you're like, that's enough for today, or maybe you want to come into up bow. Inhale, rise up if you're down. Come up if you're down with another back bend. Inhale, lift. Your exhale brings you down. Little pause. And if you want one more, you'll rise up. Inhale. Lift. This is something we reverse as old friends with a lightness you got felt. There's no words to say, but that won't stop me anyway. And release down. Legs out straight on the floor. Neutralize your spine. Give yourself a moment here. I've never met someone who could even compare to you. You're stronger than I ever knew. Swimming downstream to the cold seas. I've never met someone who could even compare. Good. Slide your feet in. Supta Baddha Konasana. Soles of the feet together. The statue standing silently, we scorn. But without these sanctions self-imposed, I don't know if we ever know. Draw your knees up and then cross left on top of right. Shift your right hip a little to the left and then drop both knees over to the right and left arm out to the side. Trying to figure out how to move forward on my songs. I want to get us quieter. I don't have to just scroll. I've never met someone who could even compare to you. Rise back through center. Neutralize. Take a second. And then cross right over left. Shift. If I like to pick up my left hip, move it slightly right, and then take the knees to the left. Right arm reaches out to the side. If this twist isn't the one that you want, you're going to do the one you want. There's no better modality than this one to choose the thing that you like more. Swimming down streams with the cold seas. I've never met someone who could even compare to you. You're stronger than I ever knew. Swimming down streams with the cold seas. Come back in through center. Good. Both knees are going to come up. Give yourself a nice little hug here. If you're happy here, stay here. If you like happy baby, come into happy baby. One of the things about happy baby that makes it cute on babies is like their awareness of finding their feet and like really kind of pulling and being like, oh. So I want you to really feel your feet here if you're in happy baby. And you're pulling against them, creating some tension. You're like, oh my gosh, I have this appendage at the bottom of my leg. Just figured it out. Really good. Release that. And then set yourself up for how you want to finish. So maybe lying here, maybe sitting, maybe legs up the wall. But find a position where you're soft, you can embrace quiet and surrender. And then once you're there, just commit to being there. I mean, don't stay there unnecessarily if you're uncomfortable, but that's why we set it up. And then ask yourself, am I really uncomfortable if you feel the need to move, or am I just uncomfortable being here in stillness? And see if you can come back into it. Wake up your hands and your feet. As you're ready, reach the arms overhead, bend your knees, and roll to your right side. From your side, rise to sitting. Take the crown of the head, let it rise up gently. The spine lengthen. Inhale, bring your hands into your heart in prayer. Honor yourself for showing up. Our practice transcends our mat, but our mat is definitely symbolic to setting time aside to be with yourself. So take this moment and honor that. Bow your mind to your heart. Rise. Gently open your eyes. Thank you. Jai.